JASMY coin. A potentially massive pump is about to occur as we see a potential ascending trail will begin to form for the JASMY coin. Of course, this could be one of the largest breakouts that we see as we begin to pump in value, and we already see that a green trend has been occurring. Of course, it is down about 7% today, but looking at it on the 7-day chart, we are actually up about 5.73%, and we're going to have a more in-depth video and in-depth guide into this and talk a bit about why we're going to see a massive pump in the next couple of minutes. But before we get right into it, don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe to the channel with the post notifications on, and share this video as we go ahead and offer you guys a massive JASMY coin giveaway once we hit 2,000 subscribers. Again, all you have to do is tap that like button, share the video, and as always, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on. That being said, let's get right into it. So the markets have officially gone red, and there's no debating that while Bitcoin is down, Link is down, Hex is down, every single cryptocurrency is down, there are a few green coins. One of those being RNT. We're also seeing JASMY coin has dropped, but not as significant as all the other coins. And when you look at the JASMY coin itself, we're seeing over the last 7 days, it's been up about 5.8%, even with this substantial dip that just occurred. The market capitalization of JASMY is down about 7.22% today at 184 million. The volume down about 7% as well at 36.3 million. Circulating supply hasn't changed, sitting at 49.1 billion JASMY coins with a total max supply of 50 billion. The total price for today is 0.003757. Now let me make this clear from the beginning of this video, there isn't much news for JASMY in today's update, but there is a few things. The first one being, of course, we're seeing a lot of people talk about the massive bounce back for JASMY coin where it did a retracement, then it did a massive pump upwards again, and that is in fact the reality. JASMY coin is very, very strong right now, seeing its position in terms of the TA charts. It's holding the resistance lines, it's holding all the Fibonacci levels. Things are looking very good. And what we're doing here is we're actually going sideways. So we had this massive pump, this is close to 20-30% pump right there, massive pump. Now we're seeing a retracement. Like we did, we've seen another massive pump, and now we're going sideways. This sideways action is amazing because it basically stabilizes that price at a new high before it then does another massive pump. And we talked about this in our previous video where really we're looking at another massive pump that could potentially bring JASMY coin into the few dollar mark. And again, as while many people continue on saying, you know, it's quite difficult, and let's first look at the pennies. When we get a pump, it's not going to be a small pump. We're not going to jump from, you know, half a penny to a penny and then, you know, a penny and a half, then 2 pennies. That's not what's going to happen. What's going to happen is we're going to see one massive pump. It's going to go from half a penny to a penny and a half, then another massive pump to 10 cents, then another massive pump to, you know, 30, 40 cents. And we're going to see these one candle bar pumps that are going to be, you know, absolutely ginormous. And that's why we say, you know, you don't want to be the guy that misses the train, right? The missing the train reference is in reference to getting those one massive candle where if you're in, you're in. If you're not in, you won't have enough time to unless you're planning to buy at a higher rate, which is possible, of course, but that one candlestick is really going to be a massive game player, and it's going to be, you know, hundreds of thousands of percentages. Specifically, as we're starting to see a lot more partnerships unveiled between, you know, JASMY coin and multiple companies, and we're gonna have a look at Hera, the CEO of JASMY, making it clear, citing, "Congratulations, let's get ready for joint business development in Japan." And again, this is one of their partners, Kina Labs. But on top of this, we actually have a tweet here from a Native Truth citing, "JASMY US is a new partnership coming. Go JASMY, go RNT." Again, this is actually quite magnificent because I've spoken about JASMY before and I've spoken about RNT, and we've spoken about the fact that there's a lot of heightened rumors within regards to these two companies and a possible partnership that could be unveiled that would be substantial to really the JASMY coin more than the RNT coin. And while both of these coins are good 100x, we're looking at, you know, one of them going ahead and 100xing very quickly, and if the other one is partnered with it, it's going to take some of that steam as well. And we're going to jump right into the RNT coin as well, because if you don't know, the rent company is a multinational rentable asset company that only allows the renters to pay in their native token, that being the RNT coin. Now, RNT has actually very low supply, but most importantly, the rent company network only allows the renters to pay in their native token RNT. We've seen a massive pump in the RNT price. Again, RNT is currently down about 10%, but again, looking at the scale of this coin, we're talking about a matter of 3 months, this coin going up 150,000%. This is a dip that we have never seen before. And when I mean this, I want to emphasize that the RNT coin has been able to surge 150,000% with no marketing. Even till now, nobody's talking about the RNT coin. There's literally like nobody looking at it because it's not even listed on many of the main centralized exchange. While JASMY, for example, is listed on Binance, Coinbase, all of those exchanges, RNT is only listed on 2 minor centralized exchanges, Coinbase and Asbits. And we're talking about, like I said, no marketing, and it's pumped 150,000%. In fact, I've talked to a lot of analysts, experts, and some of my buddies, and all of them affirm the fact that RNT is expected to go to $150 in a matter of days. Of course, this would only be emphasized on a larger scale if a partnership were to go ahead and unveil. On top of all of this, we're talking about in the thousands of dollars in a matter of months, because if RNT based on pure utility has been able to go up 150,000%, imagine when the massive institutions buy into this coin, and imagine once it gets listed on all exchanges, we're going to see some crazy price action on this, potentially getting it into the thousands. And if RNT partners with JASMY at that point in time, and RNT skyrockets in the thousands of dollars, JASMY coin is going to take some of that steam. So like I said, and I've mentioned on this, fact multiple times, where if JASMY is there and partnered with the Rencom network at the time where RNT skyrockets to the thousands of dollars, then we're going to see 10, 20, maybe even $100 per JASMY coin. And it's not going to be a lot, because when you compare it to, for example, RNT, it's going to be a small gain. Now, let me make it clear that this is not financial advice. I want to make it also clear that I own RNT, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm telling you guys, I actually own RNT right now, and I truly believe in the technology and everything about it. It's a coin that's been dominating the rentable asset space. It's only been there for 3 months, and it's bumped 100,000%. Add on to that the fact that it has no marketing, it has not much institutions yet, so of course, only the Rencom network. And Breakout network is growing as, being labeled one of the fastest growing rental asset companies. But imagine once these massive partnerships get unveiled. Imagine once it gets listed on exchanges. Again, really with the low supply, and we're talking only 50 million RNT coins, 20% of that's even locked up. What is $100? What is $1,000 for RNT? It is absolutely nothing. Now, the RNT network, or the Rencom network, is also going ahead and offering free RNT to anybody that goes ahead and direct messages them that you can from the Mighty Crypto channel. So take advantage of this opportunity and do that right now. Again, for JASMY, looking at the charts, really it is not bad at all. In the last month, we're up about 15%. On the daily, we're down, but on the 7 days, we're up again. We're in the green. This coin seems to be holding its stance. And I believe in the next couple months, again, not financial advice, my personal opinion, don't invest based on anything I say, and of course do your research, but in my personal opinion, I think we're looking at some massive gains for this coin in a matter of the next few months, specifically if that partnership gets unveiled. That being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to tap the like button, share this video, and subscribe. I know there's not much information right now in this video, but this is purely because, again, this is a daily market update, and today there hasn't really been much news. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.